If your anime side profile looks like a flat face stuck onto a circle, the missing piece is usually the skull. A profile needs space behind the features, not just a pretty outline. Today we will build Riven's head from the inside out, so the face, ear, neck and hair all belong to the same form. Your quest is to draw one balanced profile that still works before you add the hairstyle. We will construct the cranium, attach the face and jaw, shape the feature rhythm, place the ear and neck, draw the profile eye, then wrap the hair around everything. Step 1. Draw the cranium as a simple circle. This represents the large rounded brain case at the back of the head. Add a horizontal brow guide and a vertical side guide. Keep them light because they are construction, not final line art. Do not shrink the back of the skull. Leaving enough space behind the ear is what makes the head feel solid. Step 2. Attach the face plane and jaw. Drop a gentle sloping line from the brow area, then build a wedge toward the chin. The chin should sit beneath the front of the face, not drift all the way beneath the center of the cranium. Connect the jaw back toward the lower side of the circle with one clear angle. Step 3. Shape the profile as one rhythm. Move from brow to nose, lips and chin without treating each feature as a separate sticker. Anime noses can be small, but the bridge and tip still need a readable change in direction. Keep the lips subtle, and let the chin project enough to balance the nose. Step 4. Place the ear and neck. The ear usually sits behind the jaw, roughly between the brow and bottom of the nose. Attach the front of the neck behind the chin, then let the back of the neck flow down from the skull. Avoid hanging the neck directly from the jaw point. That makes the head feel heavy and disconnected. Step 5. Draw the profile eye as a narrow wedge beneath the brow. Do not draw a full front-facing eye and squeeze it sideways. From the side, we see the edge of the eyeball and the lashes projecting forward. Place the eyebrow above it and keep enough room between the eye and the bridge of the nose. Step 6. Wrap the hair around the entire skull. Begin beyond the cranium, then build the fringe and back mass from one root flow. Remember the volume lesson. The hair should rise above the skull and continue behind it, not replace it. For Riven, a few tapered chunks and a cyan accent complete the design without hiding the structure. The recipe is cranium, face plane, jaw wedge, feature rhythm, ear and neck, profile eye, then hair volume. Skull before features is the key. When the construction works, you can simplify the final anime style as much as you like. Your 15-minute practice quest is to draw 3 profiles. One neutral, one looking slightly up, and one looking slightly down. Keep the same character and change only the angle. Watch how the jaw, ear, neck, and feature rhythm move together. Quest complete. You have unlocked Profile Sight and can now turn Riven without losing the head structure. Next, the series tackles one of the biggest beginner challenges: anime hands. Subscribe and continue the RiftSketch quest.